If GIMP is giving you a network error, freezing on launch, or just refusing to load properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the two fastest fixes you can try right now, and both are simple to follow even if you're not very technical. We'll start with Windows Defender Firewall because sometimes Windows blocks GIMP's update check and treats it like suspicious network activity. Then, if that doesn't solve the issue, I'll show you how to turn off GIMP's internal update check so the software stops trying to connect in the first place. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's try allowing GIMP through Windows Defender Firewall. This is the most common fix if the error is being caused by Windows blocking GIMP's automated startup ping. To begin, click the Start menu, type Control Panel and press Enter. Once Control Panel opens, go to System and Security, then select Windows Defender Firewall. On the left-hand side, click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. This opens the list of apps that are allowed to communicate through your system. Now click Change Settings. You may need administrator access for this step, so if Windows asks for permission, go ahead and approve it. After that, scroll through the list until you find GIMP. When you see it, make sure both the private and public checkboxes next to GIMP are checked. This tells Windows to allow GIMP's connections on both private and public networks. Once both boxes are enabled, click OK to save your changes. At this point, try reopening GIMP and see if the network error is gone. In many cases, this is enough to stop the connection issue immediately. If GIMP now launches normally, then the problem was likely just Windows Defender Firewall blocking its update-related traffic. But if you're still seeing the same error, the next fix is to bypass the update check inside GIMP itself. Sometimes the issue is not the firewall alone, but GIMP's own startup behavior trying to check for updates and hanging during that process. To fix that, launch GIMP and go to Edit, then Preferences. Inside Preferences, look for the System Resources section on the left side and click it. This section controls some of GIMP's internal behavior and background activity. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of that section and look for the option that says Check for Updates. Uncheck that box to disable the update check completely. This can prevent GIMP from trying to reach the internet every time it starts, which is especially helpful if the network request is what's causing the freeze or error. After you uncheck it, click OK to confirm the change, then close GIMP and restart the software. When GIMP opens again, it should load more cleanly without getting stuck on the network check. This second method is especially useful if firewall changes didn't make a difference because it removes the dependency on that startup connection entirely. So to quickly recap, if you're dealing with a GIMP network error, first allow GIMP through Windows Defender Firewall and then, if needed, turn off the internal update check in GIMP Preferences. One of these two fixes usually solves the issue for good. If this tutorial helped you fix GIMP, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.